The blades of the block cutting machine combined together and cutting together, used in the marble, granite, sandstone cutting, it can not only process different thickness slab, but also can process various kinds of precious slabs, stone tablets and other stone products. Cutting tools are also known as cutters. Cutting tools are small shanks with razor-sharp cutting edges. Unlike the everyday cutting tools that dissect materials, such as blades, these cutters are designed primarily to remove stock from materials in an industrial cutting environment. Because the cutting tools can largely hard and stiff workpieces, the cutting tool must be rigid enough to complete the machining duties. Cutting tools are available in a variety of specifications, designs and materials in the modern machining and engineering sector. Carbide cutting tools are one of the most popular tools on the market today. Carbide cutting tool are cutters manufactured of carbide material, metallic cutters covered with a carbide layer, or cutters tipped with carbide cutting edge, which strengthens the tool and allows for improved cutting performance. For a variety of reasons, carbide cutting tools are widely used in the modern industrial and engineering industries. The carbide coating or carbide cutting tip improves the cutting tool's physical qualities, making them more competent of completing the duties they are given. Carbide enables cutting tools to withstand higher operating temperatures while maintaining cutting performance. Because of its physical qualities, carbide provides greater benefits to tooling. Carbide is a common substance used in the production of cutting tools. It is, in essence, a chemical complex made up of carbon and other elements, metallic elements in this case. Titanium, tantalum, and tungsten are common metallic materials mixed with carbon to manufacture industrial cutting tools. Physical strength, rigidity, and resistance to wear, pressure, and heat are all advantages of carbonized metallic materials. Solid carbide cutting tools are also known as carbide cutting tool. Tungsten carbide is usually the first carbide material that comes to mind when thinking of carbide cutting tools. When the term carbide cutting tool is mentioned, most people think of tungsten carbide cutters. Carbon and tungsten are both present in the same amount of tungsten carbide. Cutting tools, machining tools, and abrasives are all made from tungsten carbide. Other forms of solid carbide are utilized to make cutting tools than tungsten. Thanks for watching. Until next time.